I am Rajendra Bhalla from One Cure for All Diseases. Today I am going to cover what are the main aspects of One Cure for All Disease. The diseases are caused due to mineral and nutrient imbalance in the body, and basically whatever food we eat, that has access to only the blood portion, so it manipulates the proportions of the minerals and nutrients in the blood. So all the medicine system try to supply these minerals and supplements in the form of medicines, tablets or syrups or injections or whatever, but without understanding the main cause of imbalance of the minerals. The other cause, which is related to the first cause only, lack of energy for the proper functioning of the vital organs of the body. Now why does this lack of energy happens? Because of mineral imbalance in the body, the energy produced in the cells will be less than what is the basic minimum required for the proper functioning of the vital organs. Now let us look at how One Cure for All Diseases try to cover up this particular aspect. Now what does hydration dehydration cycles do? Let us take a glass of water, add a spoon of fill up to here and add a spoon of salt to this water. Now after adding the salt to the water, if we taste the water and we find the salt is more than what we would like to have, then how we are going to reduce the salt? We will add some more water to this water, and the salt will get diluted. And if we find the salt to be less than what it should be, so next time we are going to prepare this mixture of water and salt, we are going to take lesser amount of water, maybe up to here, and this reduction in the water will increase the concentration of salt. So any mineral which is in shortage or in excess in the body can be set right within 48 hours. For day one, what we do is we drink about 2 to 3 liters of water, or maybe 3 to 4 liters of water, and on day two we abstain from drinking any water or drink the bare minimum water of about half a liter or less than 1 liter. So what is this going to do? This will rebalance all the minerals in the body, and this is the way the body functions. The kidneys do not remove the toxins from the body. It removes bulk amount of water, and through this water and some mineral adjustment which comes out in the form of urine, the kidney is trying to balance the minerals and not remove the toxics. There is nothing which is not found in the blood which is being removed by the kidneys. It's only the balancing of the proportions of the various minerals. The same way liver does supply a lot of enzymes, and lot of other activities are done. In school we used to read liver does about 250 different work, and the basic purpose of that is also to have the nutrients in the right proportion, proteins, fats and carbohydrates. So basically our body is designed to automatically function in such a manner that it balances all the minerals, but we by adopting wrong habits, we kind of consume the similar amount of food which we have labeled as nutritious. There is no food which is nutritious. Every particular thing is required in the right proportion, and to figure out what is the right proportion is next to impossible job. Even in the next 1 trillion years we cannot figure out that. Let the body decide what mineral or what nutrient is required, and let us allow our kidney and liver to do this function without any interference from outside in the form of medicines. So hydration cycles: drinking 3 to 4 liters of water on day one, drinking bare minimum water half a liter on day two, rebalances all the minerals, all the nutrients, all the enzymes and other things. Even the hormones are balanced. What we hear from various things is that in certain condition a particular hormone is more or less, or steroid is more or less, and we do need to give the medicines. There is no need at all. By hydration dehydration principle, everything is taken care of within 48 hours, and it is not a perfect balance which is achieved. Perfect balance will never be achieved. It will always be 50% to 70% relief which we can expect on in 48 hours. Even in the life-threatening conditions, this is going to be the same thing. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and subscribe to this channel for useful information relating to your health.